Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest and greatest fitness gear. Today, we're highlighting an exceptional piece of equipment that can elevate your home workout significantly. If you're serious about your fitness journey, look no further than the KeppiFitness Adjustable Dumbbell Set. This set isn't just any ordinary weight set. It's touted as the best deadlift weight set available right now. The KeppiFitness Adjustable Dumbbell Set offers a remarkable 4-in-1 workout experience. This isn't just about lifting weights, it's about versatility. With this set, you can seamlessly switch between dumbbells, kettlebells, barbells, and even a push-up handle. Imagine the variety this brings to your training routine. Whether you're aiming to build strength, improve your conditioning, or just get a good sweat, this set meets all those needs. One of the standout features of this set is its adjustability. The dumbbell plates are detachable, allowing you to customize your weight from a manageable 30 pounds all the way up to a challenging 90 pounds. This flexibility means you can easily scale your workouts to match your fitness level or progress as you get stronger. The set includes plates weighing between 3 to 7 pounds, letting you mix and match for a tailored experience. Switching weights is a breeze, thanks to the simple disassembly and easy installation. When it comes to design, the KeppiFitness dumbbell set is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. The octagonal shape of the dumbbell plates prevents rolling, making it safe to use in any space. Plus, the plates are crafted from high-quality PE material, ensuring they're not only rust-resistant but also safe for your floors. No need to worry about unpleasant odors either. The environmentally friendly material ensures a clean workout environment. Inside, a combination of cement and iron sand provides durability without leakage, making these weights a reliable addition to your fitness arsenal. Comfort is key when it comes to working out, and the KeppiFitness set excels in this area as well. The connecting rod features a 20 mm thick sponge cover that's designed to fit comfortably against your neck during exercises. The ergonomically curved design and textured surface ensure that you have a secure grip, reducing the risk of slipping during your lifts. This thoughtful design makes it not only easier to handle the weights but also enhances your overall workout experience. Safety is paramount when lifting weights, and KeppiFitness has you covered here too. The set includes a nut clasp and a quick clasp to secure the weights tightly onto the bar. This feature ensures that you can focus on your workout without worrying about plates shifting or falling off. The hexagonal design of the clasps makes them easier to rotate, adding an extra layer of security and peace of mind. Finally, let's talk about the support you can expect from KeppiFitness. The brand prides itself on customer satisfaction and quality assurance. With a robust 5-year support warranty, you can rest easy knowing that any issues will be addressed promptly. Their commitment to product excellence is evident, ensuring you receive the best possible service. In summary, the KeppiFitness Adjustable Dumbbell Set is an exceptional choice for anyone serious about their fitness routine. Its versatility, adjustable weight options, and thoughtful design make it the best deadlift weight set on the market. Whether you're just starting your fitness journey or looking to level up your home gym, this set has everything you need to reach your goals. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think of the KeppiFitness set? Until next time, keep lifting.